Hey and welcome back to Spare Fashion. My name is Aniela and today we're gonna sew another project from Fabric Leftover. And it will be book cover. Last time we saw bullet cover and today we're gonna sew a book cover with totally different method. I think this method is simple as the last one and beginner friendly. So like, subscribe and let's begin sewing. Cut lining fabric and outer fabric, length 54 centimeters and width 28 centimeters. Place lining and outer fabric with right sides together and pin with pins all the way around, leaving at least 5 centimeter gap. Then sew with straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. Don't forget to skip the gap. With the scissors, trim the sharp corners. And turn the right side out through the gap. With help of some round stick, poke those sharp corners. Now we're gonna press our fabric flat with iron. It will remove all the wrinkles and unevenness. It's totally optional but cool addition for your book cover. It's bookmark. You're gonna cut the length 32 centimeters and 4 centimeter width. For easiest sewing, we're gonna press all edges. Fold one edge half centimeter and press. Fold in half and again press with iron. Then open, and after you open, fold 1 centimeter to inside to this crease. Use this crease as a guidance and fold both edges inside and press with your iron. Again, fold in half and do the final press. And voila, your bookmark is ready. Now we're gonna create book flaps with our notebook. So we're gonna mold the sides and adjust the book flaps. First fold one edge, fold your notebook, again open other cover and fold another flap. Then adjust it, check it that everything fits well, and when you are sure that everything fits well, pin with the pins your book flaps, and next step will be sewing. as you mark, so 1 centimeter or half centimeter in each side. Remember to not forget about back stitch at the beginning of sewing and end of the sewing. Okay, our book cover is almost ready. As you see, we still have this gap. So we're gonna slit our bookmark to this gap, the rough edge of the bookmark. We're gonna pin it and sew it. And sew the gap in the same way. And voila, our book cover is ready. And not only we have sewed the book cover, we have this cute bookmark. So let's try it, how's it look. Now we're gonna put on our cover. That's the final test if our book cover is fit to our notebook. As you see, perfect fit. And the bookmark is great additional. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one.